Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you how to debug an Android phone by enabling USB debugging using simple steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Settings app on your Android phone. This is where you can manage everything from your network to your system preferences. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. This section contains details about your device, including software version and model number. Step 3. Find the MIUI version, or build number, depending on your Android version. Tap on it 7 times until you see a message confirming that developer options are now enabled. Step 4. Go back to the main settings menu. This helps you return to the place where all key system features are listed. Step 5. Look for Additional Settings or System, depending on your phone model, and tap on it. This is where advanced settings are stored. Step 6. Now choose Developer Options. This menu only appears after the previous steps and gives access to special features meant for developers. Step 7. Scroll down until you find the option called USB Debugging. This feature lets your phone communicate with a computer for development or troubleshooting. Step 8. Tap the switch next to USB Debugging to turn it on. You may see a warning. Just confirm it, and USB Debugging will be active. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.